Hello everyone, let me show you something interesting. Here's a deck of cards. You can see it's just a regular deck of cards, right? See? What I'll do is I'll give it a nice shuffle. And now I'll divide the deck in 3 parts. Now by looking at any of these decks, I'll assume what the card in the other deck is. For example, say I'll look at the third card here and I'll assume what the third card here is. Let me give it a shot. 1, 2, 3. So let me just take a peek at the third card. Now I'm guessing the third card here is the Queen of Hearts. Liked it? Wait, let's try this once again. Let's give it a nice shuffle once again. And let's divide the deck again in 3 parts. Now let me look at the third card here and I'll guess the third card here. 1, 2, 3. Let me just take a look. So I'm guessing the third card here is the 4 of Hearts. Liked it? How about we try this once again? Give me a nice shuffle. Once again, let's divide it. Now say I'll look at the third card here and I'll assume what the third card here is. 1, 2, 3. Let me take a peek. So I'm assuming the third card here is the 4 of clubs. 1, 2, 3. Liked it?